Kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Pink color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Green color. Where's B, kids? B. Yeah, this one is B. B. B for bat. B for bat. Yellow color. Where is C, kids? C. C for cat. C for cat. Blue color. Blue color. Now where is D, kids? D. D for dog. D for dog. Red color. Red color. Where is E, kids? E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. Green color. Where is F, kids? F. Yes, this is F. F for fish. F for fish. Pink color. Where is G? Where is G, kids? F. Where is G? Where is G, kids? Yay! This is G. G for girl. G for girl. Yellow color. Where is H, kids? H. H for house. Blue color. Where is I, kids? Where is I? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Where is I? This is I. I for ice cream. Red color. Where is J, kids? J. Yes, this one is J. J for jelly. J for jug. Green color. Where is K, kids? K. This one? No. This one? No. This one. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color. Where is L? L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Pink color. Where is M? Where is M, kids? M. M for mango. M for mango. Yellow color. Where is N, kids? Yay, this one is N. N for nest. N for nest. Green color. Where is O, kids? Yeah, this is O. O for orange. O for orange. Red color. Where is P, kids? This one? This one? This one? No. This one. P. P for papaya. Blue color. Where is Q? Yes, this one is Q. Q for queen. Pink color. Where is R? R. Yes, this one is R. R for ring. R for ring. Green color. Where is S? Yes, this one is S. S for star. Yellow color. Where is T? Where is T, kids? T, 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 T. Yay! We got T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Pink color. Where's U, kids? Yes, this one is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Red color. Where is V? Where is V? Where V? V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Blue color. Where is W? This one? No. This one? No. Yes, this one. This one is W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Green color. Where is X? This one is X. X for xylophone. Now only two letters left, Y and Z. Which one is Y and which one is Z? Which one is Y and which one is Z? This one is Y or this one is Y? This one is Y. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.